Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, wireless LAN module, 2.5-inch storage drive assembly, and speakers. Removal. Grasp the top cover near the display panel hinges and open it approximately 180 degrees so that it lays flat on your work surface. Remove the three 4.5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the left display panel hinge to the top cover. Remove the three 4.5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the right display panel hinge to the top cover. Lift the display panel assembly off of the alignment pins on the top cover and remove. Note: before installing a new top cover, remove all components from the old top cover and install them onto the new top cover. Reverse this procedure to install the display panel assembly or top cover.